Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some very important, I can say, subject where we you often compare multiple technologies and then you make a decision which is good for you and which is the best one in the market. So many times, what happens is you don't have a clear understanding, and for that I made this video where I'm going to talk about React versus Python. And I will not take more than 10 minutes. This is going to be like not a very long video, but I'll comparing multiple points on this thing. And let's see. Okay, so let's start. So if you go to naukri.com and let's suppose you're interested in Python. So go there and search Python. Okay, let's suppose I search Pune. And I want to see, okay, how many jobs are there in Pune in the Python. You can see around 15,000 jobs you can see here in the Python. Now, okay, so let's suppose this is the job. Tech lead Python. Okay, if I click on this thing, this is 3 days old. Okay, and salary is not given. Okay, tech lead Python 55 applicant. Oh, okay, yeah. You can see this is a full stack profile. So you need to learn Python as well as front end technologies like Angular, React. So this is a full front end profile, and okay, and as well as you need to have experience in DevOps also if it is like end-to-end development, like usually you do in a startups company. Okay, so this is one of the openings. You can see the job description. Okay, so here Python will not help you much if you know the front end as well as many other things, entire like a full stack development, then this is a job for you. Okay, let's move to some other jobs where we can see the let's say. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. So let's suppose this company. So they're offering how much? 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs, and this is for 8 years to 12 years. Like this is a senior profile, and job applicant is only 34. And what is the job description here? If you see Python developer, what they're looking for. So they're looking for you have to know about design pattern and architecture, microservices, knowledge of deploying all those Python application on cloud application. Okay, so these things they are. Apart from that, you must know Scrum and Agile, which is used in software development. Okay, Docker, if you know this is good Linux, Unix, so many things. Okay, and this also looks like a full stack profile. See, like Flask is a very popular framework used for web development, just like Django. Similarly, you need to know backend like SQL, GAMI, ORM, and all those things. And this is like a more of a backend profile because they're not asking here you to know frontend because you have to create RESTful APIs. Okay, so whenever the profile says okay, you have to create RESTful APIs, it is understand this is more towards the backend. Okay, so you're in this you will not have to work on the front end. Okay, but at the backend you need to know many things like RabbitMQ is one thing. Azure Storage, Docker, Django also is good. Okay, if you know WebSocket, it is also good. Okay, so yeah, this is and the salary you can see 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Now this video is not just for Python. This is comparing Python salaries, not the salary, opening in the salaries and many things we will compare. Okay, with React. React is a very popular technology for front end. Many of might be aware of this thing. Now you can see the package 7 lakhs to 11, 4 to 9. Okay, and how many people have applied here? 90 people have applied 4 days, 6 days ago. Now, okay, okay. So what I am going to do is this. Okay, so this is for Pune Python. Total, you can see 15,000 jobs are there. opening. This is not accurate, so don't go with this number. Let's check the salary range. You can see, okay, salaries around 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs for 6,000 jobs. Now, what are job kind of jobs? You can see this job is, I don't know what is this. Okay, but suppose you are looking for data engineering. Salary will range in this range. Or if I see, we just saw this job, and if you see this job, okay, senior Python developer. So this involves full stack development plus you if you have machine learning knowledge, this is plus. So the salary you can see 6 to 11, 12 lakhs to 22 lakhs. Suppose I open this thing and hiring for Persistent. Persistent is a good company in Pune, if you know this thing. Okay. So what they're asking him, so you should know Django, Flask, machine learning, database, and you should know Docker, Kafka is used for message queues, TDD approach, many things they're asking, lot of things they're asking. This is senior profile, okay, 6 year to 11 years, okay. Full stack, not full stack, you can say backend development with machine learning. You should know this thing. Now, and this thing, how many people have applied? 55 people have applied, not much, okay. Okay, but salary you can see. Similarly, here also you can see. What is the salary? 15 lakhs to 27 lakhs. Good salary. 5 to 10 year experience. And job applicant is 27. You can see what they're asking for. Backend development. REST API is backend development. Okay. This is purely backend development job. Like PyTest is used for getting the unit test framework. And basic things. This is not a very high, but salary they're offering is good salary. Now I'll stop. Okay, I've taken away 5 minutes, more than that. Let's open a new tab and I'll try to compare the number of jobs React and Pune. So how many jobs are there? You can 16,000 job. Okay, little bit more than Python. If you just see Python, Python was having 15,000 jobs. Okay, this is the filter. But if I remove this filter, then you can see 15,000 jobs, and React is having more number of jobs. Okay, so you can definitely say React has more jobs. Okay, and React is one of the UI technologies. So I can say I've written here number of openings. So here is it is 16,000 just in Pune, and this is 15,000. Not marginal difference, but this is just for people who say that Python has most number of jobs. It is a trend, and they ignore other technologies. For that, I am saying that just React has this number of jobs. Java and .NET and all those things will have a different number of jobs. I'm not going to that. This video is comparing React, which is a front-end technology, UI-based technology. Okay, this is not much more, but it is better than this Python in number. Now, in Python include all kind of jobs, full stack development and machine learning, everything, include almost everything. Now, see the salary. Now, salary compare. Here, 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs, almost same. You can see, almost you're looking for the, just a minute. Yeah, this is giving. Okay. Okay, so if I search, you can see the salaries here 15 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 6,000, almost same as Python. And just see the salary which they are offering 8 year to 13 years, 10 to 20 lakhs package. Oh, this is .NET, sorry. Let's focus only on React. Yeah, you can see React engineer, they are offering 6 lakhs to 16 lakhs, 4 to 9, almost similar to Python. Here you can see 4 to 9, 12 to 22 lakhs, which is a very good salary. If you see on 9 years, you will get 22 lakhs. So this is a misconception that okay, UI development or React will have less salary and only Python will have more. So it is not like that. Even React has very good salary. Now this is okay. .NET Core developer. Just I'm just saying up to 45 lakh salary they are ready to give. I'm not. I will discuss .NET Core in the next video. And with React.js, they are looking for full stack developer. Now understand what is the value of full stack developer. They are ready to pay 35, 40 lakhs, 45 lakhs for 10-year experience, not like 20-year experience. So that is the packages now which have gone above for a full stack role. Okay. Now here you can see senior React developer. Here you can see 6 to 11, 7 to 17 lakhs, and here you can see 8 to 10 years, 20 around 20 lakhs. This is full stack. Okay. If I search, yeah, you can see front end developer. They have not given the salary, but if you see, lead React Native, they have not given the salary. Let me check if somebody has given the salary. Okay, just let me try again if I can find something for you. Here you can see 3 to 8 years, 10 to 20. It's very, very good salary. In 3 year experience, you're getting 10 lakhs salary. This is very good. So React salary is as good as you can say a full stack and a backend. It is not like you can say very marginal difference can be there, but not much. Many times React jobs give more salary than full stack and backend. That is also possible. Okay. So yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you. And if you can see more higher salaries also available. If somebody says okay, let me check who's offering more than 25 lakhs, they can go and definitely check. Around 1000 jobs are there in Pune like that, okay, which is giving more than 25 lakh salary. But not everything will be of React, but some jobs will be of React, definitely. You can see full stack, but okay, sorry, this is Java. You can see this UI development. In UI development, you're getting as good as 25 lakhs in 10-year experience, which is very, very good. At 5 year, you're getting 22 lakhs. So that is my point. People don't understand these things. If you know very good UI, you can earn a very good salary in the UI itself, the front end itself. So, okay, you can see here also, same, almost same. And yeah, and you can go and verify yourself. You can see React.js lead in a MNC. This is MNC, and they're offering as good as 30 lakhs package, which is a senior profile. But see the salaries I'm saying. Okay, more than 15, 16 years, you can get as good as 30 lakhs even in React. So this is for people who don't say, okay, I front end is not a good front end is also a very good career. You can make a very good career in front end. Okay. Okay, yeah, definitely full stack will have more salaries, more opportunities, but yeah, you can just compare it. It depends on you also. It doesn't depend on okay, every React developer will get more salary and Python will not get less salary. I'm just comparing. I'm just giving you a real time example. Just see this thing. Okay, and if you see the job applicant, okay, let's suppose I open this thing. What is the job applicant? See, 18 jobs, how many people have applied? If I say React lead 171. Okay, so people are applying for, let's suppose this one. How many people have applied? 43. So not too much competition, I will say. Okay, competition is there, but not too much. React has very good scope. Okay, so okay, and so what was my point? Always check number of openings. Average salary is almost the same. An applied number. What are the job applicant? So you can say React will have less applicant and Python will have more applicant. Take it as my word. Okay, you can just check and see. You can see the difference on the higher, like on the more experience level. You might see okay, Python is less. But if I go and I just reduce the year of experience, let's suppose I reduce the year of experience. I say okay. Uh, I say okay. Year of experience is just, let's say, 2. Okay, so what this is entry level jobs. Okay, now see the what is the entry level jobs. What people are, how many people are applying? 400 people are applying in this one job. Python test engineer HCL, how many people have applied? 122 people have applied. Not too much, yeah, but let's compare more. 5 days ago, 200 people have applied, and Python developer, just direct Python developer, 383. Now, same thing I will do before doing that thing. Let me try it one. Okay, this one, this job. See how many people have applied. 2,000 people have applied. Okay, Python Django developer, 500 people. Now I will show you React with the same year of experience. So in React, if I go, I remove this filter. If I go down, if I do this also too, how many people are applying? Let's see. This is React Native. This is used for mobile app development. 100 people have applied. If I open this thing 7 days ago, 83. 4 days ago, 71. You can see this is relatively less. In other job, it was more in only 20 people have applied in React Native. So React Native is used for mobile app development. Okay, React JS is used for web development. And let's suppose this is today, not today. I'll say old job. Then this thing also have applied. You can see 70. So relatively, you can see quite less number of people have applying. Okay, so in the React, the pack number of opening is also very good. Package is almost equal or sometimes more than Python, and the applicant is also less. Now it is up to you to decide what you want to take and pursue. And even some students come to me and say, "Sir, I want to make a career in IT development." I always prefer them, like I always tell them that okay, to go for React. React is very good technology. It will take you less time, has very good number of openings and less competition. So your the probability of getting a job becomes very high compared to Python. It is not like that you will not get in Python, but it will be difficult as compared to React. So I give them the easier option. Now this is up to the people who want to choose the hard option, easy option. But if you are a fresher or you want to move into development from support roles and other roles, I will not say directly go for Python. If you are very good in programming, you can go for Python, but you can also opt for React, which is also very good, and the salary you can see and the opening you can see, and now you can decide on yourself. So this with this I will end. I'm not. I'm not sure. I'm sorry, but the video got a little bit extended. But I hope you will find this useful and it will help you in making a decision. And you can also verify the fact yourself. Go do some research. Whatever I have done on same thing, you can do and verify the fact yourself. So thank you for now, and let's meet next time. Bye.